Architecture sections are one of the most important documents for architects, but these two-dimensional drawings are not always attractive to the client or the audience. Now in this video, we want to turn this boring two-dimensional drawing into an eye-catching architectural section very easily and quickly. So stay with me. I'm Milad and welcome to Desire School channel. In this video, we want to make this image from this image. So let's get started. Step 1. Adding ground. In this way, our architectural section gets a balanced look and there is a lot of emphasis on the ground. I use a good texture for this, but you can also use a thick line for this, especially when you have little time. Step 2. Adding a sky. With this method, it's very easy to separate building area from the background and at the same time make a section more beautiful. Step 3. Adding colors and textures. By doing this, we can separate the surfaces and walls from each other and convey a little sense of space to our audience. At the same time, by doing this, our architectural section will be better understood. You can use different color and textures depending on your theme and design style. In this project, I try to apply gray to the exterior and warm color to the interior. Step 4. Add light and shadows. We can easily create project lights and shadows by adding a layer of white or black to the underlying layers and reducing transparency of this new layer. By adding light and shadow, the difference in the depth and level in our section is better understood, and the audience gets a three-dimensional understanding of the building. Step 5. Adjusting shadow and lights. In this step, we identify the walls and the surfaces that have a depth difference by constructing light and shadows. This makes our section more readable and much more beautiful. Step 6. Adding clouds and trees. By adding details such as trees and clouds, our image becomes much more realistic and more beautiful. To do this, I used brushes and ready-made PNG images. You can find them with a little Google search. Step 7. Adding artistic atmosphere. By changing the color of a sky and adding a texture to the background of this section, I tried to create a more attractive and more beautiful environment. For this step, you have to use your creativity and create a more beautiful image by adding different textures, colors, and elements. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you want more video about this, please write me in a comment. Thanks.